Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, Cook and Barbecue 24/7. If you like these kind of videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button, and also sharing with family, friends on social media. This will really help the channel. I got a great recipe I'm sharing with you today, and I'm looking forward to sharing this with you. Thank you. Hey guys, today we're making smoked beef tallow. Today I have a 17-pound prime brisket from Sam's. This thing was so big, so much fat, I didn't know what to do. Here is it after I've trimmed it, just spritzing. Guys, check out the brisket cook video and also the brisket trimming videos coming soon. Here's the picture of all the fat I trimmed off. I'm just cutting down some of the big chunks down a little bit smaller. That way they'll render a little bit faster. And I put it on my food scale. I was surprised that I cut off 5.1 pounds of fat, leaving my brisket right at about 12 pounds. So I cut off 5 pounds of fat. As you can see here, I'm about to put it on the scale. Here we are. It's at the next morning, 4 in the morning. We have it on the Shirley Fab smoker. Have it on the top shelf, and everybody knows the top shelf is a little bit hotter. And I got it just after we passed the intake on that semi-hot spot. This is 2 hours later. It's browning up pretty good. A little bit of renderings going on, but not a whole lot. I didn't even stir it. I just took a look at it and kept it moving. We got our water pan in there, and we're running a mix of hickory and oak wood, about anywhere from 275 to about 350. And there she is, and there's my water pan. Here, guys, we're coming up on the 4 hour mark. Man, it's getting nice and brown. It's changing colors. It's breaking down. It's rendering that good fat. And it looks good. Of course, smell good. We're going to give it a good stir. We got some bubbling action going. But we're still not quite there yet. Still got a lot more rendering to go. But it's getting a good stir, and it's coming along. And here we are at the 6 hour mark. Man, it's rendered down great. I think we're good to go. Man, this stuff was bubbling nice and hot. I said a prayer and got it moved into the house and let it cool down before I started handling it again. But I think I'm satisfied with that. It's nice beef tallows and rendered down. Beautiful color. I let it cool down on the stove for about an hour. Here we are. We just have a quart strainer in a bowl, and I'm going to strain it. And once I strained it, I could have used it like this, but it had some small particles, and I wanted a good, fine, particle-free beef tallow for my pictures and just for cooking overall, and that way it won't spoil. So once we're done, you'll see I'm going to strain it again through 2 layers of paper towel. You just gotta have patience with the paper towel because it's clogs up, and I helped it along a little bit with the spoon as I stirred and all that good stuff, as you can see. And here we have it, smoked beef tallow. Man, it turned out great. I've been using it in recipes on the channel, and will continue to use it on recipes. It's gold, it's particle free, it's so flavorful, smoky, rich. It's turned out awesome. I think that prime brisket is a go-to. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and share with family and friends. Until next time, cook and barbecue 24/7.